Good morning children. Welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to study story problems on division. Listen. First question. The cost of 6 kilogram of sugar is rupees 78. Find the cost of 1 kilogram of sugar. The cost of 6 kilogram sugar and the price cost 78 rupees. We have to find the cost of 1 kilogram of sugar. Here we have to write the steps. First, cost of 6 kilogram sugar is equal to rupees 78. Next step, cost of 1 kilogram sugar. To find the cost of 1 kilogram sugar, we divide rupees 78 by 6. Rupees 78 division 6. Cost of 6 kilogram sugar is rupees 78. So, cost of 1 kilogram sugar is equal to rupees 78 division 6. The side work 78 division 6. First we take the number 7. How many 6's are in 7? 1, 6, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Next number 8, 18. And how many 6's are in 18? 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 8 is equal to 0. So, answer is 30. Cost of 1 kilogram sugar is equal to rupees 13. So, our answer is rupees 13. Hence, the cost of 1 kilogram sugar is rupees 13. Take your notebook and write the heading. Then write the question 1 and answer in your notebook. Then question number 2. A milk container can store 8 liters of milk. ഒരു മിൽക്ക് കണ്ടെയ്നർ, മിൽക്ക് ഒഴിച്ച് വയ്ക്കുന്ന ഒരു കണ്ടെയ്നർ. ആ കണ്ടെയ്നറിൽ 8 liters of milk നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. How many containers are required to store 3408 liters of milk? 8 ലിറ്റർ മിൽക്ക് ഒരു കണ്ടെയ്നറിൽ. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ 3408 ലിറ്റേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് മിൽക്ക് ഉണ്ട്. അത് എത്ര കണ്ടെയ്നേഴ്സിലായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്യാം? ഹൗ മെനി കണ്ടെയ്നേഴ്സ് ആർ നീഡഡ് ടു സ്റ്റോർ 3408 liters of milk? For that, we have to write the steps. A milk container can store 8 liters of milk. What is the first step? Capacity of the container is equal to 8 liters. Capacity of the container is equal to 8 liters. Then we have to find the number of containers used for 3408 liters of milk. So, number of containers used for keeping 3408 liters of milk. How can we calculate? 8 liter, one container contains 8 liter. So, 3408 liters of milk contains how many cans? For that, number of containers used for keeping 3408 liters of milk is equal to 3408 division 8. Divide this. 3408 division 8. Division 8. First we take a 3 has no 8, 34 together, and find out how many 8s are in 34. 4 8s are 32, 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 3, 0, next number 0. Bringing down the next number 0, now it is 20. How many 8s are in 20? 2 8s are 16. Then 20 minus 16, 10 minus 6, 4, 1 minus 1, 0. Next number 8, 48. How many 8s are in 48? 6 8s are 48. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So our answer is 3408 division 8 is equal to 426 containers. Number of containers used for keeping 3408 liters of milk is equal to 3408 division 8 is equal to 426. So number of containers is 426 containers. Now question number 3. Write this in your notebook. Then write 3. In a garden, there are 2318 trees. If the garden has 19 rows and all the rows have the same number of trees. How many trees are there? How many trees are there in each row? In a garden, there are 2318 trees. ഒരു gardenil 2318 trees ഉണ്ട്. If the garden has 19 rows, ഈ trees plant ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? 19 rows ആക്കിയാണ് plant ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത്. 19 rows and all the rows have equal number of trees. Have the same number. ഈ എല്ലാ റോയിലും എന്താണ്? trees എന്താണ്? same ആണ്. How many trees are there in each row? 19 rows ഉണ്ട്. We have to calculate the number of trees in each row. In a garden, there are 2318 trees. Total number of trees in the garden. Total number of trees in the garden is equal to 2318. If the garden has 19 rows, number of rows is equal to 19. And all the rows have the same number of trees. എല്ലാ റോയിലും ഉള്ള ട്രീസിൻ്റെ നമ്പർ എത്രയാണ്? സെയിം ആണ്, ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. How many trees are there in each row? Number of trees in each row. Number of trees in each row is equal to 2318 division 19. 2318 division 19. Here we have to divide 2318 division 19. First we take the number 23 and find out how many 19s. 1, 19, 23. Then 13 minus 9, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. Next number 41 and find out how many 19s are in 41. 2 into 19, 38. Then 11 minus 8, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Next number 8, 38. Again 2 into 19, 38. 38 minus 38 is equal to 0. So 2318 division 19 is equal to 122. There are 19 rows and each row has 122 trees. Hence, number of trees in each row is equal to 122. Write this in your notebook. Then question number 4. 1506 roses are there in 6 crates. If each crate has the same number of roses, then how many roses are there in one crate? How many roses can be packed in 19 such crates? I read the question. 1506 roses are there in 6 crates. Crates means a large box. One 1506 roses are there in 6 crates. Means number of roses 1506. Number of crates 6. Then if each crate has the same number of roses, ഓരോ ക്രൈറ്റിലും എന്താണ് roses എത്രയാണ്? Equal number of roses ആണ്. Then how many roses are there in one crate? To calculate how many roses are there in one crate. For that we divide 1506 by 6. We will get number of roses in one crate. Then how many roses can be packed in 19 such crates? For that, we multiply number of roses in one crate into 19. So listen, first 1500 roses are there in 6 crates. Number of roses 1506. Number of crates. Crates means a large box. 6. Then if each crate has the same number of roses, then how many roses are there in one crate number of roses in one crate is equal to 1506 division 6 equals 1506 division 6. 2 6 are 12. 15 minus 12. 5 minus 2 3. 1 minus 1. Next number 1 minus 1 0. Next number 0 30. How many 6? 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30 0. Next number 6. How many 6 are in 6? 1. 1 into 6, 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So our answer is 251. So 251 roses are in one crate. 251 roses. Thus, each crate has 251 roses. Then look at the second part of our question. How many roses can be packed in 19 such crates? Number of roses in one crate 19. Number of crates 251. Number of roses in one crate. One crate number of roses 251. Last part is how many roses can be packed in 19 such crates. Number of roses packed in 19 crates is equal to one crate 251 roses. Appa 19 crates 251 into 19 roses. Here one crate contains 251 roses. We have 19 crates. So number of roses can be packed in 19 crates is equal to 251 into 19 or 19 into 251. Find the multiplication. 251 into 19. 199. 5 9s are 45. 5 balance 4. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 22. Then 1 1. 1 into 5 5. 1 into 2 2. 9 6 7 4. So 4769. 4769 roses. 4769 roses. Write all this in your notebook. Note the homework 4H 1 to 10. 4H 1 to 10. Today's class is over. Thank you.